Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection, and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap pull. These will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex-15IIL. First, power down your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Once powered down, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. After removing the screws, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. Once the panel is removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop, including the battery. Next, locate the battery. It is typically a rectangular component with a connector attached to the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's advisable to clean any dust or debris from the internal area using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain the performance of your laptop. Now, disconnect the battery from the motherboard by gently pulling the connector away. Be cautious not to pull on the wires themselves, as this could cause damage. With the battery disconnected, you can now remove it from its compartment. There may be additional screws holding the battery in place, so ensure you remove these as well. Once the old battery is out, it's time to install the new one. Place the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery to the motherboard by aligning the connector and pushing it back into place. Make sure it's secure, as a loose connection can lead to power issues. After the new battery is installed, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely, but not overly tight, as this could strip the screws. Now, flip your laptop back over and power it on. If everything has been done correctly, your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex-15IIL should boot up normally, and you should see the battery indicator showing that it's charging. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you prefer, we can handle the entire process for you, including collection and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel, and you'll receive a quote before any repair is undertaken. In conclusion, replacing the battery in your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex-15IIL is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Regular maintenance and timely battery replacement can significantly enhance the longevity and performance of your device. Always ensure you are using compatible parts and tools to avoid any complications. Happy repairing! Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection, and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.